In an equipment business, every job tells a story. Built on the FieldEx platform, Mocha connects them all into one intelligent workflow, so every inspection, installation, repair, and maintenance runs seamlessly. Here's how your operation works with Mocha by FieldEx. It starts with a site survey. Planners assign a field tech. The tech evaluates power requirements, water quality, drainage, and counter space. Mocha transforms these findings into a clean, branded proposal ready for customer review. For the installation, Mocha registers the customer location and equipment serials. Technicians complete the installation checklist, connect filtration, calibrate settings, dial in the grind, and perform quality checks. Photos and signatures are captured on site. Mocha logs completion and automatically schedules the first preventive maintenance. When issues arise, planners create a service job. The tech runs diagnostics, logs findings, and records the outcome. For on-site repairs, Mocha tracks spare parts used and generates a service report. Once ready, it's reinstalled. Every movement tracked. With Mocha, maintenance never gets forgotten. You can set schedules for monthly descaling, quarterly filter changes, or 6-month services. Each job includes the required spare parts, replacement history, and completion reports. Upcoming maintenance reports are sent to customers, warehouse managers are notified in advance, and planners can view everything at a glance. Mocha turns complex coffee machine maintenance and service into simple, repeatable success. One platform that scales placements, protects uptime, strengthens customer trust, and keeps every cup tasting exactly as it should. You don't have to build it alone. Our FieldEx implementation team can help configure and set up your workflows or book your free demo today to see Mocha by FieldEx in action. Ready when you are.